you put the cap back on. This is a perfect for whoever doing gel polish or hard gel. So then you can still able to do it on the top of the clients. Also, it's gonna be great for whoever's doing, like for instance, if dipping or that you don't want to do any dip underneath, because sometimes it's encapsulating with dipping. It might be is really cloudy look. It's not gonna be really sparkle and see-through like liquid and powder. So you can able to do this one.
Hey Vanessa, yes, we do have the glitter on our website, so you want to look up Touch of Color.
Okay, so now I am tapping it really good and give it really quick swipe. It's already adheres great to the condensed glue gels. I am going to key it for 60 seconds. Really cool. Even by itself, if you don't want to do anything else, I think it's gonna look really cool and stunning. Yep, 60 seconds. Hi Tammy, how are you? How's Stella? Hi anh Hoàng Nguyễn. That's how much for that set? The touch of color. Is it let me double check it for you. And you can use it any different colors. It looks so cool and stunning. I can't wait because we did a lot of different cool video for so many different videos for this tutorials with encapsulating from any. And of course you see there's so many. There's so much glitter in here that even I just accidentally blow it. So it is $24.99 with 20% of the special sales for Memorial Day.
That would be really good.
So it take it down really good price, and also you can use code Sarah, is SARAS, to get free shipping of $79.99 in US, only. So great. So you already, like we already did encapsulating really quick first layer, and I'm gonna using condensed glue gels again. So here now, if you are doing this for a gel polish, I think, can you move this one away? Because it's feeling like it take away from the space. Thank you. I'm gonna do another layers. You don't need a whole lot because I'm gonna encapsulate. This is will make sure your glitter gonna stay in really nice place, and it's not gonna go anywhere, and it's gonna keep it nice and smooth so you don't feel any texture at all. And now I'm going to using a no wipe top coat on the top. So for all those of you who is doing just the encapsulating, like for instance the client's doing all 10 nails and this is 2 rings finger, they want glitters, especially on the gel polish or the dipping powder, you can use this and encapsulate, and then you get a beautiful nails done. If you don't want to like encapsulating with liquid and powder, because liquid and powder absolutely you have to fire them off if the clients come back and do a different design. So floating the top coat on the top, and now I'm gonna doing it, just place the crystal placement with my frame bead and frames here. I prepare, it's really cute one for all of you. I'm gonna play this one, and can you see my hello Instagram? I am see all of you, and I couldn't wave it back to you because I was out here, but I will definitely wave back to you just a second. But hey, just want to say hi to everyone. So this is the best time for you to place the crystal on. If you don't want any crystals on, like for instance if you're just doing encapsulating glitters, you just need to clear these nails after the no white top coats for 60 seconds, and then you're good to go. But if you need to do a crystal placements like I am doing it right now, So this is a perfect time. So I'm gonna do like, it's really cool and it's so much fun. I know, I just love this. You can do this absolutely without a frame, but if you want to do a frame, I think it's super cute. Those just alternate in the colors I'm using. It for this is ruby rose. Of course, you always see me do ruby rose. I don't know, I just like strong and bright colors. This one is face looks too far away. I don't know. I just need to adjusting a little bit. It doesn't have to be like really crazy perfect. Absolutely, if you want to do different colors on the background, you can. It just happened that I have the pink colors that I polish for you first. And I almost like encapsulating one of, I'm going to show you what I have to in the background is, I think it's House of Mice, the glitter. Really cool though, you can encapsulate underneath and then crystal placement. I think it's going to be even so much fun. Let me move a little bit, adjusting. I like it about this because when you want to adjusting all different crystals, placement, you can absolutely adjusting it first before you cure. So that's why you don't have to worry about it's already set for you. I am using a 3-step methods right now. Is the condensed glue gels, no white top coat, and precision glue, which is we are going to do is in a little bit to really is double secures all of this crystal and stay in one place. Great. I think I'm gonna move this one just out just a little bit. Just a bit, not much, because here you go. I really like that. So if you're really happy with this, give me that one right here. This 44, thank you. Just make sure you wipe it on the edges to remove all the excess glue gels, and no wet top, so keep the shape of the nails is nice and precise. So if you're happy with this, we are going to cure it for 60 seconds on these nails. Let me adjust, make sure I got it all right. Good. And also, I think you're gonna be able to do this one super cute, you know. I think a black and red, it will look super cute as well. Like the Mickey, it can be black, and then the white clear crystal is also looks cute though. I can't wait to see all different creations from all of you with different colors. Just I happen I picked these 2 colors because I just like bright colors. So hey Bonnie, okay, now I'm so sorry. I'm gonna say hi to everyone. It's here, it's a touch of color. I just use as You know what, how I get a little bit messy in this, because I thought I closed one lid and then I just kind of does it. I didn't realize that I have one lid open, so I just make a mess. But anyway, it works for me. Nuna, hello Bonnie. Super cute bling nails, hello, how are you if you're still there? Be pretty, not pretty, hello Jasmine. Lovely transformations, Robins. Alright, I stay doing from watching you. True Queen, I stay doing nails. We just got more monomer today. Practice make perfect. Absolutely, True Queen. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the good work, sweetie. Alright, so now I'm gonna move this on the sides. So usually normal is really great, right? But then which is that's what I did, it's like a while ago, but then clients will come back, or like within appointment this might feel any scratches right here. I can feel it from using my other end of my crystal pickers, and I feel scratchy right here. It looks great, it looks awesome for picture, it looks beautiful, gorgeous, you know. Even before we wipe off all the residues, the wax residue. So here I am going to do is to double secures all of the beautiful crystals by using a precision glue. And I'm gonna open this with my red cap off. Make sure you don't do that red cap off, because sometimes we think we don't need it, but we absolutely need it. I need it for prevent my precision glue from getting clogged or spilling. If just accidentally I'm busy and I just accidentally heat it and it's like lay on the station without my ignorance, and then I might get like clogged and spill my precision glue. So I keep that, so it's double protecting it. So I am doing like a little exam first. I feel right here is scratchy right here, and I feel that too. And then when you do that motion, your clients can also feel it as well. They see like, oh, it feels good, because now we seal in all the cracks, gaps, and you know, is edges of the crystals, frame, charms, especially 3Ds. I love it. I really like 3Ds, wearing a 3D too, and then sometime before, a long time, always catch my hair and my stuff. So I'm so happy that this sold the primes and will double secures all the crystals. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. Excuse me. But before that, I'm gonna using my tin tip brush, because I get some extras, the excess glue gels with precision glue. I'm gonna give it a swipe. So like, especially if you're doing a matte top coat, you want definitely gonna well, even shiny too, because if you're doing it, it's like it's nothing wrong if you're doing extras precision glue. So but it's get too much extra, give it a swipe first, and then you blend it, so then it looks really nice and flawless. But if you do a matte top coat, make sure you blend it nicely and then give it like a little touch again with the matte top coat again, so it's gonna give you back the matte look. All right, I think this one looks good with matte or shiny. Right, so we keep this one and this beautiful nails encapsulating and crystal placement for like well, Disney theme, well, Mickey's, I don't know, either you can name Mickey's or so great. Cure for 60 seconds and we're done with this one.